Hello everybody and welcome to another pomade retrospective. So the pomade that we're going to be looking at today is Dax Waving Groom. Now this is actually out of store-bought heavy pomades. This is actually my favorite. And for a long time it was really the only pomade I ever used. Now before I got really big into collecting and big into homebrews and whatnot, and before homebrews were really a big thing, this is what I used. Almost every day. This, and then I'd use Murray's Beeswax all the time, and I really like it. So I don't have a full container anymore because I don't use it anymore because I just use homebrews now. But on the inside, the pomade itself is a goldish, petroleum-ish kind of color, same as it is on the inside. And I have one of the old containers, which they're a little bit bigger and they have different words on them. And I did like the original one better because it had more hold. But in the recent years, they made a newer formula, which I didn't really like too much, but it was still pretty good. Now, so I'll obviously talk about the newer formula. So the newer formula it's pretty greasy, scoops out really easy, really nice, and gives your hair good shine for what it is. And you know, the scent, very basic, petroleum-y kind of scent, but pleasant. So kind of like a cologne oil scent, if that makes sense. So just very generic, very plain, but still smells good. And you know, I'd say if you're going to get a store-bought heavy pomade, go with Dax Waving Groom because, you know, I really don't like Murray's. You know, I used it for a long time and I've never liked it. It takes way too long to wash out. This stuff is way easier to wash out. It has better buildup and it's just a classic. And it's a really nice pomade to use for really any occasion, and it works every time of the year. And it's just really good, solid, cheap pomade. Now, I wouldn't put it up against a homebrew, nothing like that. It's not that good. But if you're going to get a store-bought pomade, get Dax Waving Groom.